how to measure distance between points in 2GIS. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can measure between points in 2GIS. So how do you measure between points? The first step is to launch the app. Then once you've launched the app, move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see an icon that is the ruler icon. So just click on that. By clicking on the ruler icon, you will see that your map has changed. So the next step is to tap on the map to select the starting point, right? And then tap again to select the destination point, all right? So that's where, as you can see, I have measured the distance just by tapping on the beginning point as well as destination point. The distance between the points has been displayed in the pop-up window, and as you can see here, the distance is 9,310 kilometers, and the coordinates of the map has also been displayed. So you can just click on the more option button here to copy it, and then you can send it to whoever wants to see it. You can also take a screenshot and send it to whoever wants to see it. So this is basically how you can measure distance in 2GIS. So you can just click on this, and to exit the ruler mode, go back to the top right corner of the screen, click on the ruler, and then your map is back the way it is. So I hope that is clear and straightforward. Ensure you like this video, you subscribe, and recommend it for your friends and family. Thank you for watching.